During exams, the easiest way to discourage your child is by comparing them to their classmates, cousins और siblings. अगर घर में elders आपको दूसरे members से compare करें तो आपको कैसा लगेगा? Workplace में seniors दूसरे colleagues के साथ आपको compare करें तो will this encourage you to perform better or discourage you? Same is for kids. Best way is कि बच्चे की पिछली परफॉर्मेंस को ध्यान में रखते हुए प्रेजेंट प्रिपरेशन कराएं. जैसे अगर बच्चे ने लास्ट टाइम 70% स्कोर किया, then tell them that let's put in best efforts and reach up to 75% this time. Setting realistic goals and comparing your child to their past performance will definitely encourage your child. So stop comparing, be helpful, not hurtful.